careful. I want to fall off. Is that made me a bad man?
Well, they're chocolate trees.
They live on like 1 or 2 drops of. Look at that single one. Yeah.
What are these little holes? Are they mice?
Yeah, they could be mice. They could be snakes. They could be little lizards.
You see this big seeds up there? I'm gonna grow my own Joshua tree at home. Okay, say Joshua tree.
Joshua
tree.
Do your glasses change color?
Yeah, reactions.
That's cool. Downstairs. Watch.
One of yours. Chief Redfoot. Look at me. That's
The barmaid.
Chief Redfoot.
The barmaid was put this in here.
Don't mess with this cactus.
No. Yeah, here's your cactus, buddy.
Look at those spikes.
See how big those things are.
Davey.
Davey, check it
Tear
out.
you up.
Ca-
Do you hard way?
Really?
It's pretty tough, man.
Buy that at B&Q.
Huh?
You can buy that at B&Q. On the island. You can, can't you?
Probably not that exact one. Route 66.
Is it?
Yep.
Do you see a sign, Robert?
There won't be a sign. The only sign you'll see will be painted on the road.
That's some scary stuff if like you happen to be by yourself.